Hey everyone, welcome back to the original Granite bracket, where today we are looking at the original multi-pack with XPS concrete mesh finish. Now these just aren't any boards. They're versatile, durable, and perfect for a whole range of projects. Let's get into it. And here they are. Look at these beautiful XPS concrete mesh. First impressions, as always, super lightweight. They feel, honestly, very easy to work with. Now, each board measures 48 by 24 by 2 inches, right? So perfect for a variety of uses. This pack that I have here, it's a 4-pack, but you can get them in packs of 4 or 6. So you're well equipped to either start multiple projects or for your larger project. Let's get into a little bit more details. These boards are made from the XPS concrete mesh finish, and this material is known for water resistance, which makes it perfect for both maybe indoor or outdoor projects. And you don't have to worry about moisture damage at all with these things. They're also incredibly rigid and durable, yet easy to cut and shape. So whether you're making curbs or panels or walls or, I don't know, maybe even custom platforms, these boards should be able to handle it all. Hey, and there you have it, folks, the original multi-pack of the XPS concrete mesh finish, versatile, durable, and honestly ready for anything you can dream up. Remember, they come in 4 packs at this 48 by 24 by 2 or 6 packs. So grab whatever you need today.